In this quick and straightforward tutorial, I will show you how to download and install Adobe Premiere Pro, the industrial standard video editing software. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned video editor, this guide will help you get started in no time. Follow along as I walk you through the simple steps to access the powerful tools of Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. To download and install Adobe Premiere Pro video editing software, Step 1. Visit the Adobe website www.adobe.com in your web browser. Step 2. Search for Adobe Premiere Pro in the search bar on the Adobe website. Step 3. Click on the product page for Adobe Premiere Pro. Step 4. Choose a subscription plan that suits your needs and click Buy Now or Subscribe. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to create or log into your Adobe ID account. Step 6. Provide the necessary payment information and complete the purchase process. Step 7. Once the purchase is successful, you can download Adobe Premiere Pro from the Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop app. Step 8. Install the Creative Cloud Desktop app if you don't have it already. Step 9. Open the Creative Cloud app and navigate to the Apps section. Step 10. Find Adobe Premiere Pro in the list of available applications and click Install. Step 11. Follow the installation prompts to complete the installation. Step 12. After installation, launch Adobe Premiere Pro and you will be ready to start video editing. Please note that Adobe's software installation process may change, so it's always a good idea to refer to their official website for the most up-to-date instructions.